What's up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to show you guys a simple method that you can use to upload photos to Instagram using your PC. A lot of people have been reaching out to me or asking me how you can upload Instagram photos using your PC, since many people don't have time to be uploading different images on their phone, to transfer images to their phone and upload on Instagram. So I'm going to show you guys a very simple step-by-step method that you can use to upload Instagram photos to Instagram, so you can improve on your marketing and you can do things at a faster rate. So the first thing you're going to do with this method is that you're going to go to Google and you're going to type desktop for Instagram. You're just going to type desktop for Instagram and you're going to see results that are going to come out about a Chrome extension. So you're going, it's not the first result, is this the second result. Once you get to the result, make sure that it's written devanco.com. This is what we are looking for. This is the right plugin that I'm using for this method. As you're going to see, this is a plugin that you're going to use, so it's offered by devanco.com. So all you have to do is click on add to Chrome. Since I've already installed this plugin, that's why I have this option of remove from Chrome. With you are going to see this option of add to Chrome. What you're going to do is click on add to Chrome, and the plugin and the extension is going to download and install in Chrome automatically. So that is all, guys. Next thing you have to do is that you're going to see a simple icon. You're going to see a small icon that is going to come out at Chrome. This small icon, this D, that is the desktop for Instagram extension. You're just going to click on that extension, and that is it, guys. If you want to, all you have to do is log into your Instagram accounts. For example, this is one of my Instagram accounts. You can sign up as well through the app, and you can use multiple accounts. So this is one of my accounts. I'm just going to log in with this. So that is all, guys. As you can see, I'm logged into my Instagram account, and I can upload photos with this using this app. So if you want to upload photos, all you have to do is click on this icon and you can upload a photo. For example, just going to upload this photo, and all you have to do is click on next and paste a description. For example, I already have a description. I'm just going to paste on. The next thing you have to do is click on share. And that is all. It's going to share on your Instagram profile. And that is it, guys. Very easy. And it's very easy to upload photos to Instagram using this app. And it's free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. So I just want to show you guys this free tutorial you can use to increase on your marketing if you are going to be uploading photos to Instagram, so you can easily upload Instagram photos using your PC. And that's it, guys. If you go to the page, you can check your page. You can see the photo is uploaded and it's on Instagram. I can upload multiple photos. So if you are looking for a way to upload photos on Instagram using your PC, this is it, guys. It's very easy. The extension is free and you don't have to pay anything, and it's very easy to use. So that is it, guys. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. And also, if you are trying to learn how to make money online, please click on the link in the description below to see my most recommended method to make money online. And that is it, guys. I'll see you on the next video.